Hi, I'm Gareth, this is Film and Photo, and for today's video we are looking at this beast of a tripod. Thanks for joining me on my channel. My name's Gareth, I'm a photographer and filmmaker based here in Sheringham. Today's video we are looking at this tripod. K&C Concept reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try it out. I thought, why not? I've never been particularly excited by tripods, but this one's got some really interesting features that I want to show you. I've been using it for a few days and actually I'm pretty impressed with it. So let's get it set up and I'll show you some of the different configurations. So that is the standard configuration that you would use. I'll just show you what it looks like. As you can see, we can extend. We've got a nice ball head here on the top, which has a nice little spirit level here, if you can see that. This is another configuration you can have it in. So as you can see, there is a nice arm on here which goes horizontally, which is helpful if you want to be shooting products below you or macro photography. That would be great too. Another nice feature is you can invert this shaft. So this is great for if you're wanting to shoot macro photography, or if you need the center of gravity to be lower to the ground, e.g. if it's windy. Another handy feature is this spring-loaded hook, so that you can hook your bag on to give it a bit of weight when it's windy, which I'm now going to do because the wind has started now to pick up. Another nice feature it has is that it can be used as a monopod. I'll save that for a different video. The thing that I've come up here for is this little bit here, which has got the degrees on, which is really handy for doing the panoramas. So what I'm now going to do is do a panorama of Sheringham, hopefully with a bit of the sunset in, and I'm then going to take those photos home, chuck them into Lightroom, stitch them all together and see how that works out. So that was my mini review of the K&C Concept tripod. I will leave links for you down in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and as always I will see you in the next video.